What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA, or ADA as I like to call it. Currently, we're sitting at 225. We may create that larger double bottom that we went over in yesterday's video. We're up about 0.83%, sitting at a market cap of 70.62 billion. 24-hour volume is 5.24 billion. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's ADA on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a little bit of a bearish divergence. We created a higher high, created a slightly lower high here on the RSI, and we sold off. We had a little bit of a fake out where we broke out of our descending broadening wedge here, and then we fell back right into the pattern. But that's okay, guys. If we pop over to ADA on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that larger double bottom that we talked about yesterday may take form here. If Bitcoin comes down to the high 30Ks, that's when we could see ADA come back down to 205, possibly even $1.89, and create that larger double bottom. I'm actually going to move up this neckline a little bit here because we created a slightly higher high than we had in yesterday's video. So the breakout from this reversal pattern would bring ADA all the way back up to $2.71. So do keep an eye on that. We did wick all the way down to about 205. Now, a method I've been using for trading is dollar cost averaging with low leverage. So I was on 3x leverage. I entered a position. Let's use $120. Let's use $125 as an example. $25 at 225, $25 at 205, $25 at $1.89, $25 at $1.71, and $25 at $1.48. Now, of course, we may not come down to these levels of support, but what it does is as price drops and you hit your limit buys, it drops your average price, it drops your liquidation price, and what happens is you ride the slingshot back up. And what I like to do is when the price gets 5 to 10% higher than my entry price, I put my stop loss at my entry. So if there's a fake out and we roll over, I break even. It's been a beautiful method of trading I've been testing over the last week, and I've been making some juicy profits. So let's look at ADA on the daily time frame. So here's the daily, guys. We got rejected by the 20 EMA, and currently we're just underneath the 55. So we may come back down to 205, create that double bottom, or possibly $1.89. If you look at Bitcoin here, we can see we might create a double bottom pattern for Bitcoin as well. We came right down to our support zone, 39.6. 41.2K. But if we do come down to our technical target, I would target $1.89 for ADA. We see that double bottom, and then we can see that reversal back to the upside. Now, I would expect a bounce off one of these levels of support, but we do have $1.71 just in case Bitcoin were to see some harsh sell-off. All right, guys, we're still looking healthy in my opinion. Our bearish divergence has played out. We've come very close to oversold, and we've had multiple bounces from that level. So we're just finding a strong level of support in my opinion before that continuation back to the upside for ADA, and we can give some future price targets if we go from our previous swing high down to our swing low. Sorry guys, this is going to get a little bit messy here. Take it right down to the bottom of our wick here. We can give us some future price targets for ADA. We've already come all the way up to the 1.272, which was up at about $3.18. You have the 1.618 for ADA. Just going to drop it in here at about $4.34. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting news. They've been posting about China, posting different analytics. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. Great way to support the channel and stay ahead of the game. I trade ADA on Bybit. You can sign up through my referral up to $600 in bonuses. Check out crypto.com. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.